this video, I will be discussing a huge Bitcoin signal that currently is flashing, and the last time around this big Bitcoin signal did flash here, Bitcoin moved up over 70% towards the upside. So this is a signal that you do not want to be missing out here. I will be breaking down exactly what this currently means for Bitcoin and much more, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. It is definitely very much worth it, and don't forget to slap up that like button, because on the previous video we smashed it up above 550 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? Smash up that like button and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And let me start off with discussing the imminent short term here on Bitcoin. So once we're looking at this chart, we can clearly see we're identifying the major resistance ranges, we're identifying the major support zones, and currently what we can clearly see here is that Bitcoin is getting established somewhere around our support zone. You can see clearly over here that the last two times around we touched this level, we of course also bounced significantly from of the support range, and potentially this could be of course happening another time. What I want to be still breaking down here is that in case we do break below the 20.7k here, basically the low on the market, the low on this support range right here, if we do confirm a 4-hourly candle close below that level, I am expecting Bitcoin is going to go in for another drop, and that is going to be all the way down towards 19,000 US dollars. In case Bitcoin is going to create a short-term bounce here, you also have to be very much aware is that we're currently trading in a significant downtrend. So because we're in a bearish bias momentum phase right now here, this major previous support range is going to flip into significant resistance, and due to that, the 22.7k could be a very good target where you could be opening potential shorting positions at right now. So definitely make sure to watch out for this resistance target ahead of ourselves, because I personally think that that is going to be providing a lot of problems in the coming days ahead of ourselves, and if we do retest it, it's going to be potentially even a very good shorting opportunity. Furthermore, talking about Bitcoin, we can clearly see the rising wedge of course broke down here, but right now as well we are coming back and retesting this very important level right here, what is of course previous major resistance on the market. And after we failed to hold on towards that 21.5k target, we broke below it. We are currently even retesting it as resistance, and that could be leading towards of course a potential another drop off for the Bitcoin price action right now, and due to that Bitcoin can fall all the way down towards 19,000 US dollars once again here. So do be aware, the actual technical price target of a rising wedge is always going to be at the lowest side of the wedge here, and after we also broke below this very important level ranked at 21.5k, the realistic next price target for Bitcoin is all the way down at 19,000 US dollars, and that is from the current point of recording another 11% drop off towards the downside. So be very much aware that the 19,000 US dollars is definitely still in play for Bitcoin, and it could be still getting reached here. So please do not count this out of the books yet. Furthermore, talking about Bitcoin, we can currently see that we're holding on towards the upward sloping support line perfectly, and just like we bounced last time around from it, we're also starting to see a small little bounce getting formed from this very important level of support. Like I do told you on the channel, if we do break below this very important level of support, I personally think Bitcoin is going to go in towards a massive correction towards the downside, but as long as we're going to hold it, it is going to be definitely quite alright here, and that is also the reason why this level right here, this upward sloping support line that we're currently looking at on the Bitcoin price action right now, is the level to be watching right here. There is no other important level to be watching rather than this upward sloping support line. If we do break it, we're going to go in for a significant drop. As long as we're holding on towards it, we could be expecting of course some more potential bounces. Further on, we can see Bitcoin of course created those fake outs already several times in a row. I already discussed this many times before, but yeah, clearly be aware Bitcoin has faked this out already over 3 times here in the past approximately 150 days. Pretty interesting to see. But let me right now talk about the most important chart and the biggest signal that the Bitcoin price action is currently flashing. Because yes, if we're going to look at the hash ribbons right now here, there is one crazy signal flashing on the market. Because right now, like you can see, we're seeing a buy signal on the hash ribbon getting flashed here. And historically seeing, this is a very good signal for potential Bitcoin accumulation. Yes, I do know, I can clearly see it. Bitcoin formed a big red candle. And exactly on that candle, we saw the buy signal getting flashed here. And right now, of course, if we're going to look back at every single time we saw a buy signal getting flashed, it usually tends to be happening, first of all, on a red candle. And on top of that, the weeks afterwards, we always have seen a significant rise. Just look back here at the midpoint of August. We saw a buy signal getting flashed here on the hash ribbons. And after that, we moved up on approximately 70%. Here we also saw a buy signal getting flashed at the endpoint of November, and also over here we moved up over 260%. Also here we saw a buy signal getting flashed here back in June, and after that signal as well, we moved up significantly as well from off that point. Further onwards, we saw also another signal getting flashed here on the 18th of April. Also after that, we saw significant rises as well over here. On the 15th of December, we saw a buy signal getting flashed, and from that point onwards, we moved from $6,000 all the way back up to $11,000. What is also a significant rise here, and maybe it doesn't look like a lot, but it is even a 60% rally from that point onwards. So yes, this signal has got a very good accuracy rate with, of course, yeah, basically as soon as it flashes, it tends to be indicating the price action is going to be rising, and it has been flashing yesterday as well. So guys, make sure that you're going to be benefiting from it. Personally, right now, I am still buying more Bitcoin. I am dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day and building my positions bigger and bigger and bigger. And if you want to also claim a free $1,000 Ethereum position in either a long or a short, if you signed up a new account on Bybit, and if you deposited $1,000, if you sign up through the highest link in the description, you can go right now to Rewards Hub and you go to Ethereum perpetual airdrop, you press on it, and you can claim this free $1,000 position in either a long or short. So make sure to benefit from it. It's first come, first serve. So right now there's only 95% of the supply left here. So make sure to be quick here and claim your free $1,000 long or short position right now here. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin, we can currently see that Bitcoin is really getting squeezed in towards an apex. But if we're going to create a conclusion about what we have to be thinking on the market right now here, is that this upward sloping support line is the level to be watching. And either if we break it, we're going to be very bearish. Either if we break the top side of resistance, we're going to be entering bullish stages. And we are right now on the edge of a major market decision. So this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to slap up that like button. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye. And don't forget to check out the videos that are currently popping up above. Peace out.